I know you don't teach full-time at a university. If you were going to be using this in your teaching, how would you integrate it into whatever you were going to be teaching? And remember, at the moment, we're talking about first-year undergraduates in the main.
Oh, that's a really good question. I would be using these materials right from day one. I think it's a mistake to think that you start with technical knowledge and then you build on ethics and critical accounting on top. You start with critical and political context, the social context of accounting right from the beginning. That's how you engage students. That's what makes accounting interesting.
And is that the direction of travel we should continue to pursue? We should be bringing in all those themes to make sure we're offering something different from the mainstream educational materials available at most universities at present?
Well, I'd like to say the answer is absolutely emphatically yes. I think we've got a job on our hands to convince our colleagues in the wider industry that that's what's a priority for us.
A job on our hands. This has already been a job on our hands, though. But we'll take it on. We'll get there. Thank you so much.